So Waddles is going to start on his Christmas traditions today, and I've lit my Christmas candle, which I'm just going to move out of the way because I am going to be playing with paper. We don't want any accidents. So today he thought he'd go for a nice walk outside. It's lovely and frosty, so he just fancies having a little walk. And I've got this card, and what we're going to do is very simple pages. You know, I don't like anything too complicated, and seeing as I'm doing a video a day, I just think easy will be the way forward. Yeah, so I thought I'd do traditions of Christmas and going for a walk in the forest or anywhere, any outdoor space is one of the things I used to do with my children when we were little. And then, not when we were little, when they were little. And then it's something I still do, only I don't do it with them because, you know, well, one's in Australia and the other one is working. So we just, you know, but the memory is there. And I've got this which I want to cover over as well. I know, it's going to be so chunky, this book. I have prepped all my pieces that I think I want to use. I've got quite a few. So, you know, I don't know if I'll use them all, but I thought if I just get out lots, we can just pick and choose from them. So we're going to have some trees to represent my forest. Because obviously, you know, I live in the New Forest, and that's like, I don't think we've got Christmas trees. There must be some somewhere, I would presume. There we go. We'll do them bits in a minute. So this is going to be covered by snow. Obviously, it has got really icy today. And I'll show you some. I think it's all melted now. I was going to take some photos, but it was too cold to go outside. So we're going to go with snow here. So hopefully, I'm going to just check on the frame. Yep, right in the middle. Jolly good, Carol. See, I can do it. So let's have... I always have to, I can't do a straight line of snow. Oh, doesn't that look cool? I love it. Just trim that edge. Right. I think I'm going to need... I don't know if this will stick it. Maybe not. And maybe it doesn't want to work at all today. I think I'm going to have to use the Fabri-Tac. So, very excited to... I haven't done a December daily for ages. In fact, I don't think I've ever recorded one. I think I've made them. I just haven't recorded them. It's just been personal ones. And I don't do it every day because I just don't have time. But I'm going to see if I can. I may have to pre-record some of the ones when I'm at work, because my days are very long. By the time I get home, I'm too tired to do anything really apart from eat and go to bed. So I'm loving that so far. And I think what we need is like maybe a little pocket that we can put a little note. So look at that. I've just found these in my stash. So that's going to be our note. You hold on to that, Waddles. And I've got little bits here that I want to put on, but I don't know how they're going to fit. So I have these little bears and this one. I just think they're so cute and I want to put them on. What do you think? That one or this one? There's already snow there. It looks like he's climbing up the hill and pulling him up on the sledge. If I could get him to do that, that would be super cool. Let's have a go. If I mess up, then I've got another one, haven't I? Maybe I should put him on some paper. Oh, yes, I should put him on maybe the back of that. And then I can cut him out. Oh, it's not big enough. Oh. You know that bit where I said if I mess up? There we go. We'll go with it. Because I think it's going to get sort of lost. So we'll leave them bits. And we'll just cut round where the edge of the sticker was. I've not done this before, but you know, it looks like it might work. We'll try it, shall we? It's going to be a bit of an experimental time, and I think that would go quite nicely. In fact, he could just go on there like that. Yes, he's going to go on there. We're not going to be messing about. We're just going to play and put stuff down, and then I'll use up all that bits of paper. So he can go on there. I love him. He's so cute. Look at them. Got the robin. Got the sledge. We call it a sledge in the UK. I believe that in America it's a toboggan. Is that right? Oh, I like that. Oh, that could just go straight across. But I need to decorate that page. So what we'll do is we'll just break that there and we'll put this bit on, and then maybe tomorrow we'll carry on with this sort of foresty theme just to keep it sort of consistent, and I'll just use this bit and carry on maybe. If not, doesn't matter. I just want to add these on. I found these and I want to use them, and it's going to make it really, really bulky. So I just thought, you know, I've got all these little bits and I'm just going to put them in this book. So let me know in the comments if you have... Oh, hang on, there's birds on there. I've got to make sure they're the right way up. That's the right way up. Do you have any Christmas traditions? Because we're going to be doing quite a few in here. So I'd like you to let me know if it's one of yours. Do you think we can put this on? Oh, I'd love to put this on. And these. How do I fit them on like that? Not in that corner, Carol, because that's going to be very bulky. Or maybe I can just dangle them from up there somehow. Oh, I've found another little robin. You never know what you're going to find when you go for a walk. Should we put him here? Another one. Obviously I was thinking about robins along the way, so I really need somewhere to put like a little envelope or a little tag so I can write a note. So what have we got? I have a little box. I have little boxes of all sorts of things. This is all my numbers in there for the days, and I just want something. Maybe I can put it here and no, I don't think a brick wall would work. Have I got some? Oh, I know. Yeah, I've got loads of these little bits. Look at them. I want to use all these little tiddly bits up as well. I could make a pocket for more snow. Oh, yes. I'm thinking that's a good plan. Maybe I could Do that. And just do another layer. But leave a pocket big enough. It wasn't that one, it's this one. I need to put that in as a little tag. Yeah, so I know it's all covering them up a bit, but you know, I can't really help that. It doesn't, you know, for Fabri-Tac, it doesn't actually work very well on fabric when you want, it just sort of glues to itself. There we go. That looks like, oh, it looks like a snowdrift now. So let's put something on here, on my tag. I don't know how to put them on. I want to put them on, but I just don't think I can. Maybe I could tie them together. I'm going to have a go at that in a minute. And I may do that off camera because I think that's going to be quite fiddly. And then I'll come back and we'll finish it. But I want to write on here. So what should we do? Something about walking in nature, even though it's cold. What do you think? Let's do oh, I know. What about taking a line from a song? Walking in a, come on, say it with me, winter wonderland. And I can't remember what song it is, where it's from. I'll look it up and write it underneath. Okay, I've looked it up. Excuse me, Waddles. And it was Perry Como that originally sang it. Now, I have heard of him. I am that old. But, you know, you've got to honour these people. So that is going to tuck into that little pocket there. And yes, I did manage to glue all these together. So my plan is now, yes, there's a plan, here we go, to actually tie this onto the page. And it's going to be like a dangle. So I'm just going to tie it like this and hope that it dangles in the right place. Right, so I've got it, and I'm thinking I'm going to attach it onto this. That's going to go on there, so I've got to attach it onto here. And I've just got my fingers crossed that it's gonna work. Okay, give myself a little bit of wiggle room, I think. Oh my goodness, this could go wrong. This could go wrong. Let's just see. I've got more cotton. I can always undo it and have another go and move it further up if I need to. I knew it was fiddly. Gluing it was fiddly. I thought getting it onto this, I'd come back and give you a bit of a laugh. But, you know, it's what it's all about, isn't it? Just experimenting and using your stash. So if it's going to be on the wrong page. Let's make sure it's on this page. Okay, so if we do that, maybe it will come onto this page. There we go. I don't really want to see all my gluing. Yeah, I use this trim glue and I thought it would dry clear, but it hasn't. So I will now, I think, just snip that off. I am thinking now of actually, oh, I do like the way it moves. Oh, and I've got to put this on. It's going to drive me bonkers. Okay, let's pop this up here. So day 2. I could have put it on there actually, couldn't I? Oh well, too late now. It's on there. I'd quite like it on there. There we go. Just a bit of glue. It's fine. There we go. That's our first page, day 2. What do you think, Waddles? Do you want to go for a walk there? Oh, yes, please. Well, you've got to go back in your pocket until tomorrow. So in you get. And tomorrow, day 3, what are we going to do? I think we're going to do another little snowy scene. And maybe we'll have a reindeer on there. I've got another story for that for tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.